was making a funny noise. What's the matter?
3, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Spring up. We've got
What's the
a minute
matter?
of alternating lunges. So we're going to
What's the
take it
matter?
backwards. Just 1 minute, okay? So we're going to end up doing like 30 seconds on each leg. You're going to be feeling this in your quads, these big muscles here.
You need to be way closer to that bar. You're...
Hold on, let me wash my hands.
Oh yeah. Just put methane all over the plants.
What did you do? What did you do? What is this? What is this? What is that? What is that? Really? Did you really just shove the sandwich in there? Oh my God.
She thought there was something wrong. Or that you called her name.
Weirdo. Really? Come on, I know there's another one.